MI-15003 Corner Sit-Stand Desk Installation. Step 1. On a flat and open section of the floor, position the legs and the left and right crossbars in the configuration as shown. Then, connect the left and right crossbars together using the bolts through the frame joint. Connect the legs to the left and right crossbars using the provided bolts and hex wrench. Step 2. Attach the side plates to the legs, ensuring that the side plates are orientated so that the longer angled side faces away from the crossbar supports. Step 3. Attach the feet to the legs. Step 4. Turn the desk over so that it is standing on the feet. Attach the 16 rubber pads to the top of the frame. Step 5. Lay the desktop pieces out upside down in the configuration as shown. Place the wood dowels into the holes on the edge of the desktop pieces and press the boards together over each end of the dowels. Use the desktop connectors as shown and secure in place using the provided screws. Step 6. Turn the leg frames over and carefully place it upside down on the desktop. Align the holes on the frame with the holes on the tabletop and attach the desk frame to the desktop. Step 7. Fold the cable holder into the shape as shown. Fold with care. Do not fold and unfold. If needed, use the edge of a table or another solid edge to assist with folding the cable holder. Step 8. Attach the cable holder to the desktop. Step 9. Attach the headphone hook. Step 10. Attach the control panel. Step 11. Connect the power lines on the legs to the control panel, then connect the power line on the control panel to the power adapter. Step 12. Attach the cable clips to the underside of the desktop as needed. It is recommended that they be placed approximately in the middle of each length of wire to prevent the cords from hanging too low. Open the cable clip, insert the cord, and then close the clip again. Step 13. Flip the desk assembly over and connect the power adapter to the wall outlet. Press and hold the down button for 5 seconds, and the screen will show RES. Continue holding until the desk goes down to its lowest level, and then comes back up slightly. Short press the S button, and the display will flash. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button to save the current height setting to that button. Press the 1, 2, or 3 button and the desk will move to the height that was previously set for that button. Change display height units. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between IN, imperial measurements, and SI, metric measurements, and press S to save your choice. Change collision detection sensitivity. Press and hold the S button until a flashing S is displayed. Press S again and UN is displayed. Press the up or down arrows to switch to C, F, and press S to select it. Press the up or down arrows to switch between off, low, normal, and high sensitivity. Press S to save your choice.